Between 1903 and 1920, and it's more about like European, between $300 to $500.
I was recently asked by Debbie of Debbie's Design Diaries and DIY A Go-Go to go to Encinitas, California and help with the video boot camp. My portion of that was to teach how to do everything with nothing but your phone. We're going to start out at DIY A Go-Go, but don't worry, we'll be heading back to DIY headquarters. We're kind of going to go back and forth on this little journey. I had to show you DIY A Go-Go inside and out. Oh my goodness, this store is so fun. There's so much stuff.
Yeah, it's a hot day. I'm hanging in the sunshine.
Been wanting to start a YouTube channel and just kind of freaking out about all this stuff. I need a fancy computer. I need fancy hardware, all this stuff. Well, you don't. So if you guys want to join me, I do have a class coming up May 1st. It's on Facebook. It's going to be a live class, and I'm going to show you everything I know, all the things that you can do just with your phone. Let's head on over to DIY headquarters. This isn't open for business anymore. She has her new store, but the beginning of the boot camp is going to happen here. After the girls get to pick their pieces to paint and film, they get to go out to that boneyard right there and pick all the smalls that they want to paint.
What you want to have, or if you want to bypass your turn and go out into the boneyard and get out there first after.
Abby and Kenise gave them challenges that they had to complete before coming to boot camp. Whoever completed those challenges first got to pick their furniture first. So that's what's happening.
Well, it's just another Friday.
It's going to be timing, everyone.
If everybody can try to.
Who is our first picker?
Well, it's
I'm going to try to stay out of the way. Hi, Talisha. How are you?
So there's 4 teams. There's going to be 4 people going at the same time. Raise your hand.
Okay.
I should have 4 hands in the air. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, you guys ready?
Be careful. Do not hurt each
Yes.
other. No shoving. No pushing.
Yeah, this is not Black Friday
No
shopping.
nails. Okay. So how much time do they have?
Just so they get 1 minute.
And we get one
You get
thing.
1 minute to pick one thing. When I say
Look, I
time's
see
up,
all this cool stuff.
you're done.
I know,
Once you
so
pick
much
some-
goodness, right?
Okay, you guys. So just know.
Watch the full boneyard picking. You can go to Debbie's Design Diaries. The whole video is there, live.
It's getting kind of crazy up in here. Got that DJ playing music. Everybody knows it.
And I've got to be honest, I just couldn't resist. Quite a few things went home with me in the back of my truck.
I don't cross my T's.
Hey guys, don't forget to take maybe a picture that you can post on your social media.
Okay.
So put a little tease out there.
Girls have 4 hours to clean, paint, and film their pieces for their videos. This is kind of time pressed, don't get me wrong. They don't call it boot camp for nothing. That's fantastic.
Thank you.
Yes. No, that's seriously, girl, that's good.
Ain't no thing that you can chain with a ring. And I ain't no price for admiring eyes. I've got a rebel soul. I've got a rebel soul.
Okay. Okay. All right, I'll go. Okay, cool, guys. Thank you. Bye. There's 2 wingback chairs on the side of the road on the 101 and East Street. So we got to go.
You gotta get them. Let's
Go.
go.
Let's go.
Okay, first thing this morning, we're on a mission. We're on a mission to find 2 chairs. Kenise called frantically this morning, didn't she, Melanie?
Yes, she did.
Yes, she said there's 2 wingback chairs, gorgeous ones, on the side of the road. We have to get them. We don't know where we're going. This is the 101. We're not from here. We don't know, but you know what? We're gonna find these chairs.
Oh, they're right there.
Oh, there they. Look at them. Look at them.
Let's look for bugs. What do you think, Mel?
Turns out the structure was made of plastic and they smelled like pee really bad. So that's a pass. But thank you, Debbie and Kenise. This is day 2. This day is filled with nothing but narration with Debbie, one-on-ones, and staging. So here's our nice staging wall. We were able to go into Debbie's store and pick anything we wanted to stage with. That was super helpful and the girls did fantastic. We got some great pictures. One of the things that I loved about this camp is it wasn't just furniture art. Look at this. This is She Devil Designs and look what she did with this mannequin. She's a cupcake maker and she's incredible. You gotta check her out. I feel so honored to be in the room with so many wonderful artists. It's just amazing. Guys, seriously, go check out all these ladies. Look at the descriptions that I put on their pieces. These girls are crazy good and super kind ladies. I love them so much. Go give them some love. Oh, hot damn, you almost saw him. You almost did.
Button. My videos, whenever I go live, you'll get notified first. So you can come and watch. I really appreciate you coming along with me on this journey. It's going to be a good one.
The girls put in so much hard work. They all did fantastic. I am so impressed. They are so very talented. But now it's time for me and Melanie to hit the beach. Don't you just love that you can find artistic inspiration anywhere? Look at the rusty patina on this. Oh man, to duplicate that perfectly, that's a dream of mine. Meanwhile, let's head off to Kobe's flea market.
What you got there, Mel?
Check them out. I don't know why, but they're cool. Really cool. Let's go see how much.
Does it remind you of that song sang by, coincidentally, Melanie? I got a brand new pair.
Whether you admire the art that was put on this truck or you don't, you have to admire the patina. Oh my goodness, that is nature at its best. Check out this Victorian photo album and let's see what we can learn about it.
This album is one of the best albums made in between 1903 and 1920, and it's more about like European style. And they used to put like just for some real families, you know, just like rich families coming from Europe.
Yeah.
And they're trying to show, and everything is a handmade, you know, just like that.
Those are all handmade.
Yeah, and it's one of the best, and the value of it costs between $300 to $500. If they are like full of pictures with the original, it's more than like 5 to 10 grand.
So what do you think in this condition? Because
In this case, like at like 300-500 is one of the best. Yeah, just this one, it costs like yeah, but just for the lock, it's around like, you know, 150 or something.
We all know that junking and thrifting is fun. We love to find cool stuff, but every now and then you do find something super cool. Some of you know that I love my vintage dolls. If anyone knows anything about this pretty lady, please let me know. I would love to learn more about her. Teaching at the DIY Bootcamp was a lot of fun. I learned a lot, and I know I have so much to teach you guys. If you're interested in making your own YouTube videos, starting your own YouTube channel, and you don't want to worry about getting a computer and all the software, all that stuff. You can do it from your phone. You can hit me up. I'm over on Facebook at Windmill Vintage Designs. I do have a class coming up. It's on May 1st. Sign up. It'll be fun. We're going to do it live and it'll be great. I hope to teach you everything I know. See you guys soon. Don't forget, only you can make it happen.